Good morning, it's Sunday morning. Hi, Jax. Oh, yeah. What's up? He wants treats, always. Come on. You want to eat? I was using the bathroom and he just kept patting me on the shoulder like, turn on the water, turn on the water, turn on the water. He wanted me to turn on the sink so he could drink out of it. I'm trying to pick this up and not spill it with one hand. It's not working very well. You still have treats right there. I dropped one on the floor. There. I'll pick this one up off the floor. And now he won't eat them unless you pet him. Fall over. Alright. There you go. I petted you. Now eat them. Weird cat. I'm not giving you more. They're right there. This cat is spoiled. Alright, I'm gonna make some breakfast and probably do these dishes. Open up some blinds. Ooh, it's bright. It's really bright. Oh goodness. The snow's almost gone off the street. It's also supposed to be another nice day out like it was yesterday. Ooh, see the sun's coming up. It is 8:05. Woke up at 8. Well, woke up at like 7:45 and just sat in bed for a little bit. Shaun's laying on the bed in a towel. I should turn the fan on because he just got out of the shower. That sounds like a brilliant idea. Alright, I'm gonna go get some breakfast. I'm gonna get some stuff done.
I'm naked.
No, he's not. He has underwear on. This cat is spoiled. I gave him those treats and I petted him. And Shaun's like, you didn't pet him, so he doesn't want them. I'm like, I did pet him. Y'all saw me. I petted him. And then he's rubbing his face against this bag. Probably because there's catnip in it. He wanted those ones. Spoiled. Think you like the cat better than you like me.
What do you mean? You stole chocolate.
I don't know what you're talking about. Nope. Alright, I'm gonna go have breakfast now. Alright, I finally finished editing my second video that I was supposed to do yesterday and I just didn't feel like it. So that's done. Now I'm gonna figure out what's for lunch. I'm gonna make lunch. Me and Shaun are gonna watch our anime. And then while we eat lunch. And then we gotta go out and fix the garage door that I broke like last week sometime because my car wasn't pulled in all the way. But let's go figure out what's for dinner. Or for dinner. I know what I'm making for dinner. Let's figure out what's for lunch. Let me go see what the boys want. Hey, what do you guys want for lunch?
So restart your computer with keypad.
Shaun? Lunch. Also, Skylar, I told you to take that basket back to the kitchen.
Tuna noodles.
Tuna noodles? Okay. Tuna sandwiches?
Yep.
I don't think we have noodles though. Because I used that last bag for
Let's go find out.
the tuna casserole last Saturday. I'm cold. I went and put a sweater on because it's freezing. Also, I'll take a shower and wash my hair and put it in braids. Hey, Jax. Yeah, I don't think we have noodles. Let's see. Yeah, all we have is those ones that I got from Sam's up there, but I don't use those. We don't have any.
Okay.
So just tuna sandwiches, maybe? The boys don't like tuna. We could do grilled cheese. We have these chicken strips also. You guys came to see me.
Yeah, we can do that.
That the children, that I was hiding from everybody in this freezer because nobody looks in this freezer. They always go to the big freezer. I'm gonna pop those in the air fryer. we have chicken strips, and Shaun will probably have spinach with his. You'll probably have spinach too, like a chicken salad type deal. Yes, no, maybe so. He has no idea what I just said.
No, I'm not. Salad, no, I'm just gonna have
Just the chicken? Okay, you don't want the spinach with it? Okay, well, let me throw those in the air fryer, and then we're gonna watch some anime, and after we eat, we'll work on the garage door. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. I've got a massive headache today. It's probably dehydration. All right, so somehow Mary ended up detaching this from the garage door. Looking at it.
The back of my car is what hit it.
Yeah, the back of the car. Hit somewhere right there. Grabbed it so that when this thing tried pulling up, all of this detached and the screws all came off. This has those two and that one, and then I could take all this off. Looks like I'd have to put a couple screw holes on those spots right there because there's nowhere else to put them. And then reattach it all. Oh, wonderful. All right, so let's start out with that. Guess we'll go with the socket set. All right. So now let's see what socket it needs. Grab that. We'll grab you. It is far too large. This one might also be too large. Yep. Apparently they look bigger in my eyes. Grab these two. Too small. Perfect. Okay. Now I need this. I need that. Extensions. Yay! So much easier with a stool. Oh, this life of mine. Okay. Well, I know that these are what's good for it. Those in. Screwdriver. What are you doing? Mom had broke the garage door, so I'm fixing it. Even though I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Just gotta use my best educated guess. Okay, so those itty bitty screws were what was holding on to it. And it looks like this is what was bent that needs to be straightened out. All right, and going back to it all. So, you got these two little holes right here, these two little holes down here. And those are what was holding on to the door. So, first things first, let's find a drill bit that is able to go in that. Alright, well, holes are drilled into it now, and the thought is that because the holes over there are jacked up from the screws being ripped out of them, we just put screw holes a little bit inwards to the side of it, and that way it's not in the same exact hole, it's in a different spot, and therefore should work, should. That's 4.
How's it going?
Getting there.
Yeah, 10 minutes left on your food.
What's that?
10 minutes left on the air fryer.
Alright.
Air fryer.
You're supposed to stay in.
I'm straightened up now. It's not bent anymore. See? Huh?
All these things get back in the hole.
Oh. Can you get a hammer?
No. I don't want to do too much damage. Apparently there's one up there that came out too. All right, so I wasn't able to get that top one, which is right up there, in, so I just removed it completely. And now I gotta figure out how to reset the garage door. let's figure this one out. Do that. And let's come over here. See if I can lift up the door. Alright, now how do I get this through the latch? That part I don't remember. Let's see. There we go. I think that did it. It's just gonna have to do. And while we're sitting here, no, I do not know how to do garage doors. No, I have not done it before. No, I did not do any research on this. I just came out here and wanted to take a look, and it seemed semi-self-explanatory. I came up with that one extra screw because I can't get it on that top section. So we'll just put it right there. We'll leave it at that. Take my tools apart. Put these daggone things back where they go. Time to watch anime. And she just sits in here watching YouTube videos. Nothing she can do. Ow! Yeah, your little stool decided to grab my thumb. Hi, Jax. Yes, I'm carrying a chair that you don't seem to be a big fan of. Alright. Yeesh. Alright, let's watch anime and eat food.
Bring my camera back in?
Yeah. Got your camera right here.
Here's your lunch. Everybody else is already eaten. Does the garage door work now?
As far as I'm aware, I only closed it, but it worked.
Try to open it and I'll show you where the stuff's at on my car.
You tried to what?
I said let's try to open it and then I'll show you where the stuffs are on my car. Yay, it works. Right here.
Yeah.
Why is her hat? I would have not noticed that, and I would have, and sunglasses. I would have ran those over tomorrow.
No, you would have just driven off with them.
They would have came off of them. Shaun needs this for dinner too. It works now.
I mean, it worked before. It was just barely hanging on.
Alright guys, oh my goodness, my hair. I had headphones on for a while. It's almost 5 o'clock. It's 4:57, might as well be 5 o'clock. But I am going to, there's one chicken nugget piece left. I'm gonna get ready to start making dinner, but somebody's calling. Who's calling? My mother-in-law's calling. I'll be right back. Alright, it was my mother-in-law. Apparently she's coming over for dinner. But making hamburger mushroom gravy over top of mashed potatoes is basically like biscuits and gravy, the same way we make it, but we just make it with hamburger meat instead of sausage. And then cream of mushroom soup and some milk to make the gravy. And then we just throw it over top of the mashed potatoes. So I gotta peel these potatoes and get those boiling, and then get the meat fried up with some onions because I love onions. But I probably won't even eat this because it's not one of my favorite meals. I don't really care for it, but Skylar really likes it, so that's one of his favorite foods is potatoes, so he'll eat anything with mashed potatoes. I'm gonna get ready to start peeling those potatoes.
Yeah.
Anywhere for 5 minutes or 20 minutes.
Takes time for potatoes, but
That's done though. The gravy's done.
so Mary right now is making dinner. We have potatoes, mushroom gravy. Mushroom gravy has ground beef in it.
Yeah, I explained it's kind of like hamburger mushroom, or it's kind of like sausage and gravy. Basically the same thing, just with ground beef instead of sausage. And then cream mushroom soup and milk to thin it out to make the gravy. Oh, and we put onions in this, and not in the breakfast stuff. Right? I'm freaking hot. It's hot in this
I just woke up. Took a nap. And then took a nap after my nap.
What's the temperature here? I'm freaking sweating.
And
Probably like 85 degrees.
so tired. So tired. 78.
So hot in here.
Yeah. We keep our house around 77.
You
So
keep it at 7. I think if
I'm
it's
chill.
at 75, I think it'd be fine.
I'm chilly.
You just woke up also, and you're not cooking.
You're right. I should stand here.
All this stuff to make sure it's good. This expired in November. Do you have any other mustard?
This morning we threw away a lot of stuff that was expired.
I threw away that broth earlier that expired back in November.
Best by April of next year.
That one's garbage though. We just bought this. We just bought this.
Jack's a
I
mess.
think this is the same.
Lunch treats. Right, Jax? What kind of treats did you want? One of these? I wanted 1,800 of the little tasty sticks.
I forgot I had this from you guys. Also can't find a date. Good from November. May, these two are good until May. This I just bought, so I haven't opened it. June. Alright, I'm bored. I don't want to do this anymore. That's probably why I don't clean up the fridge very often. I swear we just bought this too.
Look underneath it. No?
It's usually on the lid, but because you're opening and closing it, it rubs off here. It is April 11th of this year. Alright, now I gotta get out.
Because the door falls off.
I need to wash out the fridge. So I need to do it.
Just waiting on those potatoes.
She's still out in the car.
Yep.
His mom's here. She's just sitting in the car for some reason. Is she on the phone with somebody maybe?
I don't know.
I wouldn't put it past her.
She's always on the phone.
If she's in the car, she's on the phone. Oh. Alright, Shaun's mom just left. We all had dinner. The boys are over there watching anime right now. Just did some of the dishes. There's still a pile over there left to do. I'm gonna do those tomorrow. I need Shaun to put this KitchenAid back because he used this for the potatoes to mash them up. And I'm gonna go and sit and edit this video. Hey Sky, what you looking for? There's more in the fridge if you want more. It's in the back. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here and then edit it. So like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.